Richard perform. Oh my God, see myself. If a woman wear better thing, he see better husband. If a woman wear hair things, he see a husband. After today, no more. After today, no more. Buy a pay, sell a year, Pojuaka. I say all the Google things what they do for Benin girls, I want for heaven. All the Google things what they do for Benin girls,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time stopping by, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today's video is an unboxing video. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Are you sure you're ready? Are you sure you're ready? Let me ask you again. I have some goodies in this bag. I have some fancy things, some beautiful things, you know I like good things. So anyways, I'm going to show you guys the box. I don't know how to position my camera so that you guys will be seeing the box and me at the same time, but I'm just going to show you guys the box and then I'll open it and show you guys what's inside. By the way, I did say in my previous video that if you guys want me to do a detailed video on mini importation, let me know. I know I got some requests, but I've really been busy, guys. I've just been busy, honestly. But then I'm actually taking a one-on-one mini importation course. It's an online course. I tried doing the physical thing. It didn't work. I almost slapped the bitch. Like, in as much as you're coming to learn, you need to have some manners. I just tried my best that day not to, show the ghetto side of me. I ended the class and that was the first and the last. Oh, by the way, my nails are looking amazing. So I'm going to show you guys the box now and then I'll open the box. This is the box. It's quite big. Honestly, it is big. So yeah, let me put the camera back to myself. This is the back. It's taking me almost 10 minutes. Good stuff. I should just leave it like this. See everything that is inside. Plenty things. I think no, this is for someone. Yeah, so I'll just put it aside. I don't have their number, but I'll describe it. It's very easy to locate. See, Mommy. Good afternoon, ma. Sorry guys, I had to answer that call. That was my cousin. He's trying to buy something. These are not for me, so I'm just going to keep them here. My madam said I should not open that one. I'm excited. This. Just look at this. When you are going to do your small runs, are you buying or not? I'm just going to show you guys a little bit what we have here. Just a few things. Oh my God. What are you talking about? Look at, just come on back. I'll take pictures that I'll put on this. It's the waist pouch, how to look like a bag. It has the belt. The belt is here. Look at this one. Just with your jeans or your dresses. This one is also a waist bag. We're opening this together, so I don't know what's in each bag. This is the white of the black bag I just showed you guys. This one, I'm going to take like proper pictures that you guys can't resist. This is the Adidas. These things are a lot. I have more of this, more of the waist bag in different colors. You guys come and patronize me, please. I have this one. I have this. You can see inside is very clean. This is the belt for it. I have this one. This is so cute, my goodness. Just look at this. The belt is inside. It's so cute. It has this belt and it also has a chain. So they are both inside. Oh, I think this is for me. This is for me. Oh my god. This is not for sale. This is mine. I can't wait to wear this. This is so cute. Make good friends. I finally got this top. You guys are gonna hear it. By the time I'm done, what's in this box, because it's a lot of things and I can't really unbox all of them. However, I'll leave my Instagram page in the description box and on the screen. Please do send me a DM, come patronize me, okay? Thank you. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you're interested in the mini importation online course, don't forget to send me an email or send me a DM on Instagram. I will direct you on what to do. Anyways, that's the end of today's unboxing video. I have so many things to share with you guys. There are more things coming. There are more things coming. I need to catch my breath. There are more things coming, so please subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave me a comment in the comment section, give this video a thumbs up, and see you guys in my next video.
Shawty out nice, off me, make a man want holla. Anytime I see